My name is Maurice. I'm an Assistant Manager at Flyjin. I've been working here for about 3 years, almost 4. So Flyjin is this supper club based in the heart of Old Port. We've been open for around almost 10 years. And so from 7 to 11, it's supper, Asian style cuisine. And from 11 to 3, it turns into a nightclub. So before using WISK, maybe some hesitations I had. We've used other systems in the past, wasn't really too successful. So we'd always go back to the old school method, pen and paper. We had to transfer it to Excel, so it would take just a lot of time. It was very time consuming. When I first using WISK, I was very pleasantly surprised. It was super easy to use. We started scanning everything, doing the inventory, went super well. So I was very pleasantly surprised. So really being certain also of my data, sending up to the bosses and the owners, making sure that everything was perfect, and being able to use that time in other aspects of the business. And another thing I love about WISK is that it integrates perfectly with our POS system, so I make sure that we could cash losses. Also, one of the things about working in a club, we close very late, employees are tired, everything. So being able to spend less energy on doing our inventory makes a big change at the end of the day for us. For sure, I'd recommend WISK to everybody. We are super happy with it. So anybody that serves alcohol, restaurant, club, it saved us a lot of time, and I highly recommend.